Watch the green world quickly pass. The train rolls on the shiny track. Choo, 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 the train goes far, watching the nature like a star. Green, green, green is all she sees, sailing quickly past the tall, tall trees. She sees the field so big and wide, where yellow flowers brightly hide. The grass looks soft and very deep. Choo, 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 the train goes far, watching the nature like a star. Green, green, green is all she sees, sailing quickly past the tall, tall trees. A little river rushes by, reflecting clouds up in the sky. The water is so clear and cool. Choo, 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 the train goes far, watching the nature like a star. Green, green, green is all she sees, sailing quickly past the tall, tall trees. She sees a happy little sheep, asleep upon a grassy heap, and friendly cows that chew and moo. Choo, 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 the train goes far, watching the nature like a star. Green, green, green is all she sees, sailing quickly past the tall, tall trees. The tracks go click, clack, click, clack fast. She hopes this pretty scene will last. She loves the air so fresh and clean. Choo, choo, choo,